Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide Facebook online. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on menu option. Scroll down. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Okay, click on settings. Then scroll down, choose on your activity option, then tap on activity log. Then back. Click on active status. Okay, this option is already off. Okay, to hide Facebook online, just tap on off, turn off active status. Okay, turn off. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.